Let's go, everyone. Today, I'm super excited to be unboxing, or it's already unboxed, so I'll be reboxing a Rolex Submariner. So this is a Rolex Submariner, no date, from 2025. Almost brand new. Been wearing it the last couple of weeks though. And it's beautiful. Really nice watch. It's the no date, reference number 124060, 2025 year. Let's check it out. Wow. Wow. It's amazing. So yeah, here's what the box looks like. Got the tag, extra links. Let me rebox it all for you guys. Oh, shoot. Yeah, let me put this down here as well. Rebox it up, show you all the experience. Comes in this nice box. New box for 2025. Everything's a little dirty. Been wearing it the last couple of weeks, so that's why it's not brand new fresh. But it was super fresh when I got it. And it came in this. So to rebox it up, I know this is an unboxing channel, but rebox it up. Oh, shout out to my awesome AD. All right. Got treated really well here, so shout out to you guys at this Rolex boutique. Oh, messed it up, see? It's an unboxing channel, not a reboxing channel. Let me rebox this up. Goes like that first. Wow. And then it's in this nice green box. Then it's put into this white box. Then after the white box, it came in this Rolex branded paper. Then after that, came in this bag. Came in this nice bag. So that is the reboxing experience. So yeah, that's it, everyone. Gonna be wearing this watch for every unboxing video I make moving forward. Cool, thanks for all watching. Thanks you all for watching. Really appreciate the time. Hope you're all doing well. Let me know what you guys think of this watch in the comment section below. And take care, everyone. Later.